Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to show you how I make delicious cold brew coffee at home. This BNUNWISH cold brew coffee maker has been so nice to have at home. I live nowhere near a coffee shop, so when I am craving a cold brew coffee, I love that I can just pull it right out of my fridge and it is good to go. It's so easy to use. It's made out of a wonderful lead-free glass. I love that it has a great strainer. So we do grind our own coffee. So we grind it kind of coarse when we're doing the cold brew, and I just put it into that fine mesh stainless strainer, which is awesome because it's not going to rust. As you can see, once you have the water in there, you're just going to pop it in there, and that nice silicone ring is going to help it just to seal. I give it a little stir, and as you can see, it kind of instantly starts changing the water, and you know that it's already brewing. And just put that lid on airtight. And I like to just throw it in the fridge overnight. You give it about 8 to 12 hours and you're gonna have the perfect cold brew coffee ready to go. And like I said, just absolutely love that this strainer doesn't let the grounds get into the water, and I know that it's gonna be just right every time. And it's stays airtight with this lid, so I don't have to worry about it. So I just add whatever I want to and really just enjoy my cold brew coffee. If tea is your thing, it's a great tea infuser as well. So if you also like to enjoy a delicious glass of cold brew coffee at home, this is the cold brew coffee maker for you, and that is my point of view.